Let's break apart one of my longer videos down into just a comparison of two colors of red glitter glue. We'll be comparing Cranberry Stickles Glitter Glue by Ranger to Christmas Red Stickles Glitter Glue by Ranger. Those names are a hint as to what we're going to discover in this oh so sparkly Stickles Glitter Glue swatching video. Find the link to the full video with more colors in the description. Thanks for subscribing, and leave a quick comment if you have a favorite out of these two red glitter glues after they dry at the end of the video. To set up my art journal supplies swatching page, I listed the name of the product, which is the Stickles Glitter Glue by Ranger, as well as the names of the colors. Starting with Cranberry Stickles Glitter Glue, let's test it out by making a series of dots and lines, both on white paper and on a black Posca paint marker line, because art supplies can appear differently on different colors of paper. Keep in mind that the colors can also look slightly different when it dries shortly too. What do you think? How would you describe this Cranberry? And what do you notice between how it looks on the white and the black? Christmas Red Stickles Glitter Glue swatching is next, and I set the page up so the colors are nice and close together, so we can be color detectives and really inspect them for any differences. At the end of the day, we know that they both fall under the umbrella of red glitter glues, but there must be something that sets each one apart, right? I'll also hold up the paper and tilt it at different angles to see if that helps in distinguishing any differences between the colors as the light catches the glitter glue. There we go. That helps me pick out some distinguishing characteristics between the two, but I'm still holding out for my final description until they dry. How about you? You can see that there's 10 colors that I swatched here in the full video, but let's get back to those reds, our focus for this video. After drying time, the clear part of the stickles has settled, leaving just the colors that we're after, and we can get to comparing the two colors. The first color, Cranberry, does look like the color of an actual cranberry, that darker, deeper red with a touch more blue to it. Christmas Red, the second color, on the other hand, comes out bright. You might say more vibrant or more of a true red. It's easier to tell the differences on the lines versus the dots. Also, from farther away, it's harder to pick out those differences, but Christmas Red does appear to stand out a bit more, so that might be something to keep in mind if you're deciding which of these two colors of stickles to use in a project. Watch the related videos in this series of Stickles swatching adventures to find out about the rest of the colors on this page. Thanks for glitter glue swatching with me today and comparing Stickles Cranberry Glitter Glue to Stickles Christmas Red Glitter Glue. Happy creating and stay sparkly!